Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to turn your passion for digital products into a thriving online business? Look no further. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to make a digital products e-commerce website. We'll walk you through every detail so you can create your dream online store. Online businesses have been thriving, and in today's digital age, it's the perfect time to jump on the e-commerce bandwagon. Whether you're an artist, writer, software developer, or have any other digital product to sell, this video is your key to success. Imagine having your very own website where customers from around the world can discover and purchase your digital products. It's not a dream, it's a reality that we're about to help you achieve. Let's get started. How to make a digital products e-commerce website. Part 1. Planning your e-commerce journey. The first step to success is planning. In this section, we'll discuss how to define your niche, identify your target audience, and select the right digital products to sell. Remember, success starts with a well-thought-out strategy. Choosing the right niche is crucial. We'll guide you through market research, helping you find the perfect niche for your digital products. Understanding your audience is equally important. We'll show you how to identify your target audience and create a tailored shopping experience for them. We'll also discuss how to select the best digital products to sell online. Your product choices can make or break your e-commerce journey, so choose wisely. Part 2. Building your e-commerce website. Now that you have a plan, it's time to build your e-commerce website. In this section, we'll walk you through the technical aspects, from domain registration to choosing the right platform. Your domain name is your online identity. We'll guide you through the process of choosing and registering the perfect domain name for your e-commerce website. Selecting the right platform is crucial. We'll introduce you to various e-commerce platforms and help you choose the one that suits your needs. A visually appealing website is essential for success. We'll show you how to design an attractive, user-friendly website that showcases your digital products effectively. Part 3. Adding and managing products. With your website set up, it's time to add and manage your digital products. In this section, we'll cover product listings, pricing strategies, and inventory management. Creating product listings that convert is an art. We'll provide you with tips and tricks to make your digital products irresistible to potential buyers. Pricing your digital products right can be a game changer. We'll explore different pricing strategies to maximize your profits. Inventory management is essential to ensure a seamless shopping experience for your customers. We'll guide you on how to keep track of your digital products. Part 4. Payment gateways and security. A secure and convenient payment process is a must for your e-commerce website. In this section, we'll discuss payment gateways, security measures, and data protection. We'll introduce you to various payment gateways and help you select the one that best suits your business needs. Ensuring the security of customer data is a top priority. We'll go over the essential security measures to keep your e-commerce website and your customers safe. Part 5. Marketing your e-commerce business. Your website is live, and your products are listed. Now it's time to attract customers. In this section, we'll discuss digital marketing, social media strategies, and SEO techniques. Digital marketing is your best friend when it comes to reaching a wide audience. We'll explore various marketing strategies to boost your online presence. Social media can be a powerful tool for promotion. We'll show you how to create a strong social media presence and engage with your audience effectively. Search engine optimization, SEO, is vital for online visibility. We'll teach you the basics of SEO to improve your website's ranking on search engines. Congratulations! You've completed the journey of creating your own digital products e-commerce website. You are now equipped with the knowledge and tools to make your e-commerce dreams a reality. Remember, success in e-commerce requires dedication, continuous learning, and adapting to market trends. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask in the comments section below. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or website. Thank you for joining us in this exciting journey.